6:30, a possible new strain of kennel cough making valley dogs sick. The life-threatening disease is even forcing a valley business to shut down for weeks. ABC 15's Patrick Hayes explains what you need to know.
Dog owners in Scottsdale say they're on high alert after hearing about an aggressive form of kennel cough.
But like I said, we have a wonderful vet and we try to do the shots.
Angie Oliva says she's always making sure that her dogs are up to date on their shot, including the Bordetella vaccine, which can help prevent the disease. Still, she's worried that her dogs could get sick. According to the American Kennel Association, dog owners need to be on the lookout for a strong cough with a honking sound, runny nose, sneezing, lethargy, loss of appetite, or a low fever. If your dog is sick, experts recommend taking them to a vet since there's not many at-home treatments.
I swear they always say people treat dogs better than themselves, and that is 100% true. It's honestly just like having a kid. You just want to make sure they're safe.
Recently, the barking dog in Scottsdale closed down for 2 weeks to deep clean their property after seeing some dogs come down with the disease. In a letter posted on their social media, the business says, "We have been battling a recent outbreak of canine cough, which is particularly potent and resistant to vaccine protection. Unlike other strains, this one appears to quickly escalate into pneumonia and can be life-threatening." The business fully reopened this week. Meantime, dog owners say they'll try to keep their dogs happy and healthy.
If they are sick, you're keeping them away from other dogs. You don't want them to spread it or get other dogs sick because they're very important to us.
Patrick Hayes, ABC 15, Arizona.